The Hong Kong Art Museum specially held the Buddha show in order to make us know more about Buddhism. The Buddhas exhibited were selected from more than 400 pieces of discovery in Qingzhou Longheng Temple in 1996. The hairstyle and clothes of the Buddha looks like an Indian. With the glorious apparel and necklace, the smiling Buddha looks like a grand VIP. First of all, let's introduce the Buddhas exhibited in the show. They are discovered in 1996. From the point of view of both Buddhism and arts, it is so rare to have the opportunity to discover such a large lot of Buddhas in one time. The historical and arts value is so high that they are worthwhile to be introduced to Hong Kong citizens. You can see carving, printed color painting and gold leaf on the body of this lot of Buddhas. The carving and drawing are merged together. It's so valuable that the painting and gold leaf are preserved so well. The Buddhas are scarce with high cultural value, which are different from the one placed at home. Let's Mr. Wong, a Buddha expert who owns a museum, to explain what's the difference. There is great difference. Most Buddhas collected at home are from Ming Qing dynasty. Buddhas in our museum are mostly rock carving with longer historical value. Just like this big one is from Lofton Way, around 1,500 years ago. Buddhas in nearby temples are mostly come from Ming Qing dynasty. As there is few Buddhas show in Hong Kong U, and there are only 2 to 3 pieces in the Chinese University, I set up this rock carving museum. It's mainly aimed to fill up the inadequacy. Just like this Buddha, it is over 1,000 years in Northern Way. The other one is a marble Buddha, which is made of perfect marble. It is really a valuable opportunity to be exhibited in Hong Kong. Behind that, there are a few pieces which are also made in many years ago. Hope this can help our next generation to know more about Chinese culture. Through these Buddhas, you can see the thoughts of Buddhism. Just like the Buddhas from this period of time, they always raise up their right hands. Left hand is Si Wu Wei Yin, right hand is Yu Yun Yin. Si Wu Wei Yin means no fear when together with Buddha. Yu Yun Yin means things happen as wishes. All these are highly related to the thoughts of Buddhism during that period of time. Actually, this lot of Buddhas are in high standard, especially the earlier lot. They have more distinctive carving of clothes, underwear and hair. Their eyes are more beautiful with smile.